Welcome to Yoni de Punani, the perfect place to find the perfect jewelry for any occasion. Our unique and beautiful jewelry pieces are made with love, making them truly special. From sparkling pendants to classic earrings, Yoni de Punani jewelry has something for everyone. A fashionable appearance is something that many individuals strive for, despite the fact that doing so can frequently feel overwhelming or scary. The good news is that becoming fashionable does not have to be difficult or involve a great deal of work on your part. In this video, we are going to talk about 10 easy ways to look stylish. 10. Have fun with different prints. We recommend that you take a risk and try wearing prints on top of prints, even though you might normally choose a printed item over a plain one or a plain one paired with a print. Experimentation is the first step in solving any design problem, and while it can be challenging to uncover patterns that work well together, the payoff is well worth the effort. You'll see a significant shift in your personality if you experiment with some daring, vibrant prints that feature both little and large patterns. 9. Build it up in layers. When it comes to making the most of the items you currently own, layering is always a fantastic option. During the colder months, you should give layering pieces like a sweater and a coat, which you normally wear separately, a try. You can also add color to your style by layering a plain long-sleeved shirt under a fashionable sweater and then topping it off with a denim jacket. 8. Add a scarf. Scarves are all about making small adjustments that can have a significant impact, which is why they are so popular. A plain shirt can instantly become 10 times more stylish by merely being accessorized with a scarf that features a pattern or a print. You might try wearing it around your neck, around your waist, or even in your hair. You can even wear it on your purse. A stylish scarf will never fail to set you apart from the rest of the crowd. 7. Always know your fit. It is not necessary for fashionable clothing to be on the cutting edge of the latest trend. Rather, it should be tailored to the wearer. A regular pair of pants do not need to hang from your hips. Nevertheless, baggy jeans are meant to be baggy, and a befriend shirt is meant to be lost. Yet, a befriend shirt is meant to be lost. You should shop for garments that are tailored to your physique and enhance its natural beauty. If you are unsure how to choose the item that will fit you best, ask the salesman for assistance. 6. Try new combinations. The fact that there is no definitive right or wrong approach to fashion is one of its greatest strengths. Everyone has a unique sense of style, therefore it's not necessary that what you think looks well on you look good on everyone else. Nobody ever declared that the only color combination that works with yellow and black is black and yellow, and not green or pink. Experiment with hues that complement your complexion and try out a fresh color combination every day. This will allow you to reuse the same shirts and pants several times while still giving the impression that you are wearing new clothing each time. Well, do you like what you are seeing so far? Don't forget to like and subscribe. Keep watching because you don't want to miss what we have at the number 1 spot. 5. Pay attention to your shoes. Put your best foot forward and make a proclamation with the footwear you choose to wear. It's not always about the clothes. Fashion is about sticking out in the crowd, and your shoes can surely help you do that. Fashion is about expressing your individuality. While the rest of your outfit is simple, make a statement with your footwear. Try out different styles such as leather loafers, thigh-high boots, and vibrant colors. In addition to that, ensure that everything you wear is spotless and polished to perfection. 4. Invest in accessories. Rather than constantly updating your wardrobe with new pieces, consider putting some of your money into good accessories. You can add a lot of value to your outfit by accessorizing with statement-making earrings, dazzling hair clips, or several rings. Shop with us today on Yoni de Punani and experience the luxury of owning unique jewelry pieces that you won't find anywhere else. From modern and trendy pieces to classic and timeless designs, Yoni de Punani has something amazing for you. You may completely transform your appearance by pairing a simple tee with a layered necklace, adding a bandana, or even just painting your nails a vivid color. Find these accoutrements, and make sure you always have the confidence to use them. So, if you're looking for an exceptional piece of jewelry, look no further than Yoni de Punani. 3. Put a hat on it. If you're going to be heading out on a hot summer day, make sure to wear a stylish hat with your attire. It will not only improve your appearance, but will also shield your hair from the heat of the styling tool. If you are unfamiliar with the concept, It is recommended that you start with a hat that is of medium size and gradually work your way up to larger options. These look amazing when paired with the beachwear. On days when you want to look sporty, you might also consider wearing a cap. 2. Experiment with your bags. The oomph factor that your everyday look so desperately needs can be provided by a purse. You might be amazed to find out how much of a difference can be made simply by switching up your purse rather than your wardrobe. They may actually define your sense of style, and this applies to a wide variety of bags, including purses, totes, slings, backpacks, and side bags, among many others. Your look can be improved and made more complete with the correct bag. A fashionable handbag can elevate even the most basic of outfits to a higher level and make you appear more put together. The style of handbag that you go for might reveal a lot about who you are as a person. A classic and timeless bag can indicate that you have a more traditional and elegant style, whilst a bag that is loud and colorful can demonstrate that you are confident and outgoing. The use of a purse as an accessory demonstrates that you are paying close attention to the components of your look. Your careful attention to detail can give the impression that you are more put together and polished. Selecting a handbag that makes a statement can give your ensemble a focal point. It catches the eye and has the potential to make your getup appear more interesting and up to date with fashion. 1. Get a little shade why. Don't get us wrong here. To clarify, what we meant to say was that a stylish pair of sunglasses can complement your appearance as well. You may select for the classic round frames, the cat eyes, the square frames, or even the colorful lenses that attract a lot of people's attention. All of these options are available to you. You only need to check that the shape of the frame complements your features and doesn't obscure them an excessive amount, and you'll be good to go. So, that's it for today's video. What do you think of the number 1 spot? Hit us up in the comments and let's chat. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications for our channel so you never miss what's coming next from us. Thanks for watching.